Hey Google. What's up, rap fans? Welcome back to V-Twin Skinz in Miami. Today, we're taking this brand new 2024 Acura Integra and doing something special. Forged carbon fiber, textured accent pieces on the side view mirrors. You're gonna see pro-level technique, precision tools, and how we keep the integrity of a pattern finish. This one's for serious car wrap lovers, so hit that subscribe, smash the like, and let's dive in. First up, pre-shrinking the forged carbon. Why? Because when the material comes from the manufacturer, it has built-in tension, and if you skip this step, it will pull, warp, and misalign the texture. We're working in Miami heat, and this pattern demands perfection. Also, I'm choosing not to use my Wrap-U-Ezee tool in this case. Why? Because with texture and pattern, you can't afford to stretch the film. Any distortion equals a failed look. So I'm going glove only. My favorite paint is dead wrap glove. It gives me that tactical feedback you just don't get with your standard squeegee. Carefully, I lay down the material, keeping tension as low as possible, aligning the pattern so that the forged carbon weave stays true. I do switch to my knife tucker on my NT blade. There is no sponsorship here, just one that I use and I trust for all of my freehand cuts. So watch closely. Even though we're time-lapsed here, sped up at 5 times, when I do my freehand cuts, I slow way down, scoring the film lightly to avoid cutting into the paint below. Knife skills are essential. We'll wrap each mirror as a standalone piece, checking all edges, corners, and pattern alignment. I do use my torch to relax the film so it sets perfectly. When we hit minute 525, you'll see me pull out a little OG installer trick. I make my own edge seal tape using the same gloss black material that I used on the hood and the roof. Why buy it when I could just DIY it and deliver a factory looking finish? Now we are sealing, trimming, torching all the edges, inspecting every inch. If you spot even a tiny bubble or lift, I immediately go to my 3M needle tool and release it on the spot. That attention to detail sets us apart here at V-Twin Skinz. That's a wrap. Forged carbon mirrors on a 2024 Acura, done right in Miami. If you enjoyed the process, smash that like button, drop a comment, and share this video. It's free, it supports us, and helps us keep bringing high-level custom wrap content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your rides fresh and your wraps flawless.